What is the best life insurance for seniors? If you're a senior, then you're likely asking the same question. Whether it's your first time purchasing a life insurance policy or you're looking for an alternative option to an existing policy, this video should help you. As a senior citizen, you'll find that you have several different types of insurance coverage options available to you. But before going into that, it's important to determine the right coverage for your needs. So let's get right into it. Term life insurance. Term life insurance is the most affordable, but can be a risky purchase at an older age. Since term life insurance is only temporary, there's a good chance of outliving the life insurance coverage and the possibility of not being able to re-qualify for new coverage. Term life insurance works by choosing a contract duration offered by the life insurance company, ranging from 10 to 30 years. Generally, the maximum age is 58 for a 30-year term, 65 for a 25-year term, 70 for a 20-year term, 78 for a 15-year term, and 80 for a 10-year term. This varies from company to company. Currently, there are a handful of companies that offer term life insurance coverage up to age 65 with no exam. Guaranteed universal life insurance. Guaranteed universal life insurance is permanent life insurance coverage and is oftentimes confused with whole life insurance. The majority of guaranteed universal life insurance policies do not build up cash values, whereas whole life does. Guaranteed universal life insurance is the cheapest type of permanent life insurance. Guaranteed universal life insurance is often our recommended choice for senior life insurance coverage. It lasts forever and is much cheaper than a whole life insurance policy. Similar to term insurance, we currently have a few companies that offer up to $400,000 of guaranteed universal life insurance without a medical exam if you're age 65 or younger. Final expense life insurance. Final expense life insurance policies are really whole life insurance with smaller death benefits that range from $2,000 to $50,000. Final expense is generally purchased with the main intention of the death benefit, to be used to pay for any small debts such as medical expenses or remaining bills. In addition, final expense life insurance is most commonly used to prepay for funeral expenses. The majority of final expense life insurance does not require a medical exam regardless of age. Death benefits range between $2,000 up to $100,000. Other final expense options. Guaranteed, modified, or graded death benefit coverage is nearly identical to a final expense policy, with one major difference, which is how and when the death benefit will be paid at death. Most of these policies only pay out the full benefit if death occurs within the first 2 years. And many companies will only pay out the full death benefit if death is due to an accident in the first 2 years. After year 2, 100% of the death benefit will be paid regardless of how the death occurred. The upside to purchasing this type of life insurance is that you can't be turned down. It can be the only option to some people with severe or high-risk health conditions that would otherwise be declined. The majority of final expense life insurance does not require a medical exam, regardless of age. If you're in the market for life insurance, then the best time to buy is now. You can learn more about available options by visiting TOPQUOTELifeinsurance.com. Stop by our site today to get free quotes. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.